Hey guys, it's Nikka again from Apollo Sprayers, and I'm here to show you guys how to help fix a leaky cup. So sometimes when you're spray tanning, your solution kind of, starts leaking out of the cup, and there's a couple ways to troubleshoot that to help fix the problem. So one of the first things you want to make sure is that you're not over tightening your cup. One of the biggest issues is over tightening your cup, and then your gasket seal begins to wear down over time. So we do recommend to not overseal your cup, and we also recommend to not hold your spray gun like this when you're adjusting your cup. We do recommend to hold it from the base of your spray gun, just so that way you get a better seal on it. So when you're sealing it, there are these ridges on the cup as well as in the spray gun as well, and you just want to make sure that everything's aligned, and then it should go in there perfectly fine. And then if you see that there are still issues with that, we do recommend taking a look at your gasket. Sometimes these gaskets, which is this white piece in the middle, can get a little bit worn down over time. If that is the case, we do recommend just flipping the gasket over. Sometimes that gives you a better seal. And then again, when you put the cup back on your spray gun, to hold it from the base so that way you get a better seal, and then you just twist it right up.